What's up, my folks? Finally back again, man. Today we got the ZL1 in the shop. Got my little buddy over here. Got the ZL1 in the shop. My little buddy gonna be working with me. I don't know how much different this is gonna be on the ZL1 than it was from the SS, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of it on video for y'all. And then of course I ain't posted anything in a while, but I'm back in the game now. I've been doing a lot of work. I've been super busy with my businesses and stuff. If you're into Hot Shot, please go check out my channel, Hot Shot Kings. And if you're a CDL driver, I need you. But anyway, aside from that, let's get back on the car stuff, man. I'm finna get busy. I'm finna show y'all the breakdown process and then putting it all back together. I don't have a cameraman this time, so I'm gonna be holding the camera and placing it up and everything while I get this work done. So bear with me, but it's gonna be a good video regardless. And I'm ready to hear what that whine sounds like. I don't even know that it's gonna make it whine any louder. I don't know. I just think this car doesn't whine very loud, and it's kind of making me want that Hellcat whine. I didn't say that, but anyway, I'll see what I can do. See how loud I can get it, man. I want to try to get it as loud as possible, but I don't want to change the blower out. Most I'm gonna do is port it. I'm gonna stay Z01 through and through. First off, of course, want to start with unplugging everything. You got this sensor right here first, mass airflow sensor. You got a little tab on the back right there. Pop that up, push down, pull out, and then you'll also have to take this out too. But this unclips from right here, and then I'll just put this up out the way. Next, I'm gonna undo that one, and yeah, then I'm gonna take off all these hoses right here. So next step, when I come back, you will see this pulled off, because I'm gonna take it all the way apart, put it back in the box. I'll loosen that, those will be gone, and I'll have this hose off, this one right here as well. All right, got this tube out the way, disconnected there, pulls right out. I didn't have to disconnect this hose right here, but I did disconnect this line and just slid it over here out the way. So yeah, and I got that plug out right there. Next thing is to pop this box out, which I'll show you how to get that out in just a second. And I should have got my throttle body now that I'm thinking about it, but I will be going FBO regardless. So y'all will see me put all of my FBO parts on this month. So no need to worry, it's coming soon. Clear for this box, you got it in right here. It's in a spot right back there. Right there, and then one down here. So you basically just pull as hard as you can, and it will come up. Don't think that you're gonna damage anything, because you won't. It's how it comes out. There is a hose on mine connected right there. You can't really see it, but it's right there, right here, connected to the box. But you just pull that apart, and the box is gonna come out. Get the old box out. Don't care nothing about it. Just care about that airflow sensor. And now we're naked. Time to put the new one in. Right here, I'm about to open them all and get everything ready, and I'll show you step by step how to put it all together. That was a little difficult, but it's going to come with a hose like this. So your piece that screws into the bottom of this tube is you're gonna have to put that rubber piece on, and then you're gonna have to take your other piece out of this intake right here, which I broke, but ignore that. You take that piece out, then you have to put it in this end of the hose to connect your line back to it. And then, of course, you just put your boot on, screw both of those on. And now we're moving to the next part. I'm gonna put in time lapse. Set this piece that way. This piece is just going to sit down just how the other piece did inside these same little holes. This piece will sit in there at plate. Then you slide this piece in, connect it into the boot with your two things on here, tighten them down. I got mine stopping right there, but you want to try to twist it down where it's not up where you can see it. This one I'm going to tighten down there where you can't really see it. And then we're going to drop the mass airflow sensor back in, screw it down, and then we will stick this in here and it'll go on, and we'll tighten this one down. I'll show you when it's done. Slide the intake on to this side of the final part. Screw it down tight, put this sensor back in, clip it back on. Everything's buttoned down. I put this rubber piece all around the top of this. It's for when you close the hood so it doesn't mess up your hood. And that's it. Let's crank her up, see what it sounds like. We're all buttoned up. I'm gonna go hit the road real quick, see what it sounds like. Fresh carbon fiber on there. Got some more to put in tomorrow. Go get this road test. Already just got on the road and I can already tell you can't hear nothing but exhaust. I don't know, man. I guess it's just my exhaust too loud. It was whining good when I was stock. I'm gonna get in snow and ice mode again and see in snow and ice mode if we can hear it pretty good. Definitely much better. Oh, fucking exhaust keeps opening up. It's just not that loud without being in quiet mode. Keeps opening up, but you can definitely hear it a lot better in quiet mode. You're definitely breathing a lot better. That's for sure. All right, so took it down the road. Y'all heard a little bit of it. It does whine a little bit more. I noticed after I quit paying attention to the video so much, put the camera down and ran it some myself. You can hear it in the camera, but it did get a lot louder. I didn't get to do the before and after, man. I'm gonna probably try to find some clips and stick them in there. So if you see them, then you see them. If not, then just know it did not whine as much as it does now.
Same video,
but it does whine a little bit more. I was hoping to hear it a lot more over my exhaust. My exhaust was just too loud.
I cracked the window and that joker was whining. Oh my god!
But anyway, it sounds really good. It's whining a lot better.
Anyway, I ordered all my FBO parts tonight, so after this video, this will be the only video you see.
It does breathe a lot better. It had a little bit more power, had a little bit get up and go. Not in the video, it wasn't all the way
throttle body
out. I think
we're going to be doing the trans tune, switching out the TCM on
or anything like that, but I did after I put the camera down for sure. But yeah, it's great. If y'all, if y'all want to get it to get a little bit more whine, then it will give you a little bit more whine. If you got an SS, it still gives a little bit more power. I've had both SSs. But Roto Fab intake is the way to go. That open intake is getting awesome.
Anyway, enjoy this install.
But anyway,
next time I'll have a cameraman.
Yeah, I gave you a little bit of clips in quiet mode.